Hello again, you join me in my shed and I thought I'd do this quick video on one of these. I think it's called a 3D square or a straddle square. I picked this up probably about 6-7 months ago, and it's come in handy in the workshop, and I thought I'd show you some of the things it can do. There is aluminium versions, steel versions of them. This one's plastic, made by Wolfcraft. And as you can see down one side there, there's a 45-degree angle for when you straddle over a piece of timber. The length of it overall is 215 mil, 155 mil, is around 60 mil, is 60 mil as well. And as you can see from down one side, it goes from 0 up to 150 mil. And then down this side, 0 to 60 mil total. Whatever centimetre you want to measure in from a piece of wood, or it's got a rule down one side. It's got angle points there as well. And then around the perimeter, or around the outside of the main part, we've got angles as well. So starting from this corner here, and mark whatever angle we like, it goes all the way around the outside. From 0, in fact it's not from 0, in fact it is from 0, 0 right up to 90 degrees on this corner. So I'll quickly show you that first. Okay, so I've got a block of timber here, probably about 4 inches by 8 inches, and let's assume we're going to do a cut from that position there, and then it needs to be, let's say, 65-degree cut. So I'll put a mark there. Draw a line there. Okay, so I know then that's 65 degree. Okay, so similar principle, went from there, so let's say 40 degree. That's 40 degrees. Other aspect to it as well is drawing a line from the outside of the timber. So starting from 0, working up to 10 mil, 20 mil, and then everything in between. So 1 mil, 2 mil, 3 mil, 4 mil, 5 mil, etc. So let's say we want to do 10, 14 mil from the outside, find the point, and then just run it along the side of the wood. Then we know that's 14 mil. As you may have noticed on here as well, we've got angles running which are easier to find. So there's 30 mil, 45 mil, and 60 mil, starting from that one there. So we know there's also holes on here for a drill measure, or drill bit measure, or gauge. So 2 mil, 2.5 mil, 3 mil, and then so get a normal drill bit, and we know that one is 8 mil, and it's the same with raw plugs. So we know that one's 6 mil. Put it on the side as well, and we want to measure, got a little gauge here, 10, 20, 30 mil, 40 mil, right up to 50 mil. So if we want to mark, let's say 10 mil, 10 mil, and then of course there's 45 degrees where you can put at any point. I'll also show you on a thinner bit of wood. So pull these out as a stand. So obviously the depth it's going to catch on the workbench. So I've moved those aside. So let's say we want to go 10 mil in from the outside, put it at 10 mil. Run it along. Another good thing, I don't know if this is the right way of doing it or not, but for me it works. If you want to find the centre of this wood without measuring it, start with a line, and then as long as we meet that point up there, flip it over, and we know that is the centre, just there. And then if we want to measure it at that point, showing us 20 mil. So find the 20 mil on here. And there's the centre of the wood. Also, for doing a straight cut, if you're using hand tools or a handsaw, you can go that position there, draw a line, and also draw a line there. In fact, we can go all the way around. So get that point there. We've always got the line marked in, and that should meet up with the line. Oh, near enough. So if I draw another line there, just there. Let's say I want to put a hinge or a recessed hinge or something recessed into that piece of timber. Then let's say that it's 23 mil, no, say 25 mil deep. So we'll draw a line there, and then in this position or this side, it's, let's say, 5 mil. No, that bit either needs chiseling out, outering out. Just to say as well, there's angles running across here as well, so you can mark what angle you want if you're in a restricted corner. I find it quite handy to use it as well if you're drawing a line, and you can pick it up easy. You can grab it by that corner. So that's it, the Wolfcraft 3D square. That's the name for it. If you want the model number, it's 33208, and it's made in Germany. But yeah, that's it. I know there's other ones out there that are steel, aluminium. Obviously this one's plastic, and it's really durable as well. I've dropped it a few times, and yeah, it's really strong. So yeah, I'm impressed with it. Reasonably priced. I got this one from Amazon, but I'm sure there's plenty of other places out there that sell them. But yeah, I thought I'd show you that and see what you thought. If you can find any other uses for it, you know of any other uses for these, please drop them in the comments below. Again, I'm not an expert. This is just my hobby, and I thought I'd share this tool with you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.